Bobby's teaching style is something which can be grasped by something who is very beginner as well.
Everybody was here because they're excited to learn something new.
To remove the tension, to break the ice, he made the activity so we communicated with each other.
The point that he made about urgency, I think that's amazing to know.
I want people to know that price is not the only thing that you should focus on in the market.
It was a great session by Lumeric today.
Context of the information that was provided from starting from basics.
I do feel more. I think I've learned the core, the heart of it, which is one of the most important things.
When he spoke about the volume, the number of the volume, when people buy, when people don't buy, that actually made me understand a little bit more about when the price might change.
My favorite moment from today has to be when people are doing the exercise, the interaction, where they have to reenact the market and doing the buying, the selling. That was the funnest part. That was the best part. My goal is for more people to understand that if you want to become a profitable, if you want to become a consistent trader, stop looking at price.
I would recommend this workshop to almost everyone. Whoever is trying to trade, I think they should actually go for this workshop.